Hello, Kusampo and Garalu. Hope you guys are doing great. This is Sandeep Rai Chamling, CEO, founder, mentor, and advisor of PandoraBiz.com, Bhutan's 100% secured online shopping company. Dari Nabusula ni Biduchi Zodo Gachian Bidu Gachi Dene Mola Chin. Mimamra Hachi Bhutan Timi Mitusugi. Laluchi app this to download Jomit Viva. It's not available in your country or you have to purchase the apps and so on ba ani solution na so den le ngachi beso yila the ani solution the technical solution ni mimam gira technical solution machine di bedo ha mo ko the ngachi sa solution he easy gagya ani follow video follow achin the ani solution di lapsubla the for example the nga ani app play store no jobe FIT 50 series chi app chi download bedo andi gachi mola chin ani de ani app di ngachi ani zebroni ki smart watch this bala ani ki den le smart watch connect beni den le phone da app connect watch connect in beni den le use be ani app and this app this di te ngachi besa zebroni ki smart watch this ye so smart watch this ye halam ye na so ngachi na contact beni rahi se ngachi website na jo beta tu pandorabiz.com sera Google Virutube yan ngachi Facebook page nara search Virutube ngachi team online available rudeo na from morning 9 le 12 ki midnight sinsela te ta ani app dinga try download beni try bedola ta to na busugi dele ta gachi omega na ta gela ani omela couldn't complete your purchase le that item isn't available for purchase in your region silame that means ngaji Bhutan na hindi ki bedolu download mo chuchi and the Bhutan ki problem ina Bhutan ki network ki problem ina khadimo why app dira la be me tu bina yan oi ngai product ra me chuchi na se no do main la ani di khora ki ani zebroni ki company ki di ani app di Bhutan ki den le open majan di ki bedolu download mo chuchi la ta ani solution di simple yi ta thagla gacha mingubla ta ani solution di gachi mo la chin Machibesa already any VPN se long bala virtual private networks now. Te any VPN ki bioda di machira ki VPN disudi ngachi select beshim le dele ani gishlo so country ki internet ki network the server the connect beshim le dele ngachi ana jodi ki download betupla te ani VPN ki la di ani ring ngachi ani VPN use be ani VPN is one of the great VPN la it's free VPN super unlimited proxies along the already installed be di ani gachi be na chin on beshimle ngachi gi so country ki server chi connect beshimle ana le ngachi gi play store na jobe download beta ochin di successful youtube khade youtube la ochin ngachi gi first gen country ki ngachi gi server di connect be ochin ta ani Google Play Store ki gachi no santan la ochin oy ani midi ani country ki me se no santan di ya davin gate open jo la ngachi download be ni handsome system la technical di the simple language la ochin handsome the ani VPN thing actually already install besa sai free Bhutan available yi download besa sai install besa sai the ani bindi ki da ngachi ani VPN di turn on benila the ngachi already VPN di on yi on the off yi the turn on besim le VPN Russian country ki select beni the kha country select beni mo lochin confuse jago gachi mila select that particular country ani di mostly app available and open with them so especially USA te VPN na jobe ta ni delana USA duga minna chachita gela telani VPN gi USA gi ani server chika connect bebe and beni nai the dato dina fastest locations ani theme by default ta we don't want to connect with this country Singapore gi me what we want to do is we want to go to back down scroll down there's so many other VPNs la the dato ngai thom dalu USA ki halam du Seattle ki du Dallas Texas ki du New York ki du halam du server Virginia ki du Los Angeles ki du I'll try to download I'll try to connect with Chicago too Chicago ki me so I'll try to connect with Chicago so it's free another both any app na both paid and free any VPN top so it's why to pay more you can do it only for VPN for free region so Chicago select be so Chicago select besim le davandi connected yasi this is how it shows once it is connected. The Chicago ki IP address ten diye Chicago ki ani server se connect yase. Ta ngagi phone di Chicago ki ani server se connect yase. Anything I data use bedo, but through this VPN I am connected to Chicago ki server. Ta ngagi ma download ma besumi app this Bhutan na de digi app Bhutan ki network server se connect be download be masumi this gar app download be su ta kacha be mengo close kacha be mengo simply open the app and then search for that same app that you are trying to download. The download jo mato mosla the chan download jo mato badde the download betani the download bedolu the magic happens. The any magic that happen be. Now this app is working on why I need the media na Chicago USA na those and already say app ki the Google app ki ta anale the download yasira maybe. This is how you solve the problem the mi mam gira ani chagila de be why I download jo mit belo ani app mindulo ayana ani problem do sila the ani app the download be ngagi ana use beto tela. This is how I use that. This is how we panrobes.com in team panrobes.com usually actually solve this kind of problems. And if you have any problems with the technical related, whether you have bought the product from us or not, doesn't matter. Ngachi help base me ngachi na help beung. So and this is how tela. So now you can connect, you can use this app la. But any the app depending on which app you can download. You can even download FIT 20 series. This is the app that belongs to a watch that we sell. The Zebronigi watch ki model di be ochindi ZEV ZEP FIT 180C epsilon. So ani watch thing at the actual price the 5,000 something. We are selling at 4,470 with 3D reveal whole Bhutan Dr. Sensei. The ani watch thing has you available stock na we are always selling that product. And the ani watch koni watching, you can please visit our website pandorabiz.com say PANDORABIZ.com say just simply visit our website and you will find more details about us. Simply this is what you need to go. This is the logo, brand logo, and our company name is here. You can go and visit our website or ngachi Facebook page na jodigi ngachi nam chat be YouTube. Our team is available online from morning 9 le goes to the 12 a.m. midnight sensela. Then what you can do is ani please ignore this. So any app here nagi download base soup, simply click on install. Now you can download it because you have already turned on the VPN down on binti to download jungla. So the answer be download jungla. So this is how you can download any app using VPN from from Bhutan, which you are not able to download it from Bhutan. This is solves every problem. And any app ki dene chamji la beus in ostani member sir madam whoever is watching this. Not only this app and fit 20 series ki dene chamji tubs member kara app na tubla. That means what exactly I'm trying to say is any VPN use besimle gachira app download be masup me Bhutan na desimle any app this gar download be subla. This is how you solve the problem with using VPN. Okay, and VPN stands for virtual private network, which is one of the secure private network where hacker there's a hack been try mimam get a hack be because of the VPN. So that's one of the way of hacker hacker running away from hiding away from the any police hacker this one may hide here baby chances. Please don't misuse this kind of technology. Technology is powerful than you think. See, VPN is already connected here, Chicago. That's how I am able to download. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope we have contributed something amazing thing in your life that you never knew before. And if you already knew it, no problem. Appreciated what we have done. This is the hard work that we are trying to put into contribute to our country and our people of Bhutan. And please, if you want to place an order of any product, we have more than 1,300 products available in our website. You can go and visit our website here. PandoraBiz.com say Google na type you will definitely find it. Simply click this is by default open in the simply click on pandarobiz.com se type biochin, you will be directly directed to our website la. And in our website you will find lot of products la here. Categories halam here la babies product, bath, car accessories, commercial machineries, electronics, fans, garden and outdoor hardware, health and fitness services, home and kitchen utensils, kids clothing, men's clothing, software, women clothing, car here. So now say thondo dada, it's all dollar na kachi mo Bhutan na didi dollar ki kachi mo se mi mam gira ngachi lu sunya ni di ani solution de dato ko kotho da la jingira ngachi besa already ana BTN the USD ki kani currency converter yela na button na ki thondo USD BTN Newtrom se mo da BTN Newtrom na click beni na BTN Newtrom na click besa uchi automatically gara na dollar ne midi tirudi Newtrom na convert jomla dela na Newtrom na tiumla ana la. That's how you can do it. Me mom get confused in the end. No worries. This is the solution how you can use our website. And if you want to place an order, you can simply click on this. Let's say you want to place this order. Samsung Galaxy S22 plus 5G Phantom White, 8GB RAM, 128GB storage. Just click on purchase button, and then you will direct it to an option. You can put the details and place an order online. This is how simple it is to shop online from pandarobiz.com. It will not even take 2 minutes of your time. Simply fill up your information. I already fill up in the auto fill up zone. So you just simply do it. You want to create an account with us, you can put a tick. If you don't want, no problem. If you want to ship to different address instead of this address, you can to put another details and put another address and everything. If you want to ship, no, any address now ship bini, so you don't have to do it. Untick it and select. You can control everything like how many pieces you want. You want to push 2 pieces when you just put an add plus button, then automatically 2 pieces join and automatically calculate it here. And just you want to buy 1, you can just minus it 1. And if you want to remove this product from your the shopping menu, cancel menu, you just click on remove your option cross button, simple. And you have multiple option here. If you are from shopping from outside country, you can pay using your credit card and debit card, you can do that. And if you want to pay using MBOB, TP and everything, you can click here. Company account number, then this BOB, the BNB key, even license numbers are provided here for your verification. And then you just have to click on the rate option, terms and condition, and you can even download it if you click in button and click on place button, place order. The order place base also you will be able to get the order. A notification, then our team will be contacting you. And if you have a Bitcoin worth more than $180 worth Bitcoin, you can even pay using Bitcoin here. Just simply pay using Bitcoin, and then you can pay with the Bitcoin. Bhutan is the first company in whole Bhutan that you can pay and shop online from us using your Bitcoin. But Bitcoin has to be minimum worth $150 worth. This is how we can do shopping now. We are in very advanced level of Bhutan. But mimam girangachi ko low me love because they mimam girangachi ko explore mabindi. But this video has given a reason for us to teach you how exactly you can shop from us using all this kind of advanced way. So thank you very much for watching this video, and stay blessed. Take care of yourself. We'll be coming up with amazing videos which will help you ease your life. Thank you very much.